Hunger Games, Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, 100% advanced artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has fully infiltrated media, and it has been this way for decades. Now watch Viola Davis's lower eyelids when she speaks. Okay?
I'll work on finding a peacekeeper he bribed to get him in and cut out that tongue. In the meantime, I need someone to get him out right now.
You should send peacekeepers in.
Only to have him bolt and hide like a rabbit. Felix Ravensteel is fighting for his life in the hospital, Mr. Snow. I will not have these rebels make a further...
That is not a real human. Look at her lower eyelids. That doesn't happen when you speak. That is not a real human. Okay?
Friends with this radical?
The furthest back I have found what I believe to be definitive proof of advanced artificial intelligence is The Shining from 1980. Look at Shelley Duvall's eyes. Look at Danny's eyes. And yes, I see signs that Jack Nicholson is artificial intelligence in that movie too, but I believe Shelley Duvall and Danny were meant to be discovered. Okay? Because if media wants to hide it, it does. Alright? If they want things to not look obvious, they make it so.